Before we get started, let's take a quick peek at what ReactJs is. So if you head on over to reactjs.org, you can actually see they have tutorials and they have all sorts of stuff on here. It's actually a really, really good site, and I suggest and I highly recommend that you get a little bit familiar with it over your time learning React. But what is React? React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. Okay, that's somewhat helpful. That's a pretty good statement about what React is, but what React actually is, you know how a website is made out of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and then usually some backend language for data processing. React allows you to build interactive websites. So HTML and CSS can't do that. It can't be super interactive, but React can make it reactive, can make it fun and engaging, and that's what React does. Now, React comes with an interesting syntax called JSX. It's not just JavaScript. It looks like JavaScript mixed with some crazy version of HTML, and we're going to get into that in just a little bit. But basically, what you need to know in this particular lesson is React simply allows you to create very dynamic pages. Like if I were to click this, it's instant, it snaps, it's faster than using jQuery, it's faster than using other libraries, and it looks a lot like this. Again, we'll talk about the syntax of it in a little bit, just because it looks a little bit bizarre at the moment, but we'll get into that in a little bit. So there's no task for you for this particular lesson. Up next, we're going to install Node and make sure that it is installed on your computer.